how you can get German B, which is sharp S on Mac. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your system settings. So you can click on the Apple logo in the left upper corner area, or just open your system settings. And now on the left, scroll down until you find keyboard here. And again, scroll down. Here you can find text input, input sources, and click on edit. And now you want to add a German language here on the left. Click on this little plus. And now simply scroll down to the letter G like German. Click it and choose which one you want. But they are all simply same. So I'm gonna choose this first one. And as you can see, here you're gonna have to locate that German B or sharp S, and it's here near to number 0. So now if you add it, but if you want to make it work, you have to disable your first language. So click on that and click this minus. And now you have only this one, click done. And now I'm gonna try to press that keypad near 0. And it's actually working. You got that German B, which is S or sharp S. If you want to change it back to your keyboard or your language keyboard, you have to click edit and add here your native language here. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.